hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Font of English Education. This is Kyar Bhardwaj. Today in this session we will learn how to practice writing and speaking. This is the second video for spoken English. In this video we will learn how to write a particular topic without cramming and speak about that topic in front of camera to improve our spoken skill. If you are thinking why in front of camera, in the last video, that was the first video for spoken English, I explained each and everything thoroughly. I told 5 tips to improve spoken skill: reading, writing, speaking, listening and thinking. How to practice each and everything has been explained. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go to description and watch that video. Link has been given in the description. My dear friends, if you are a beginner, you want to improve your spoken skill, but you don't have knowledge how to improve, and you want to write a topic, you want to practice in front of camera, but you don't know how, you don't know on which topic you have to speak. So what you have to do is just practice writing. Just start writing about your daily routine. Write about your today. What do you do? No? What did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? Write throughout the whatever you do throughout the day. At what time do you go to bed? At what time do you wake up? Whatever you do throughout the day from dawn till dusk, write it down in all tenses: in present tense, in past tense, in future tense. Present tense, what do you do? In past tense, what did you do last week? What did you do yesterday? What did you do last year? In future tense, what is your future plan? What will you do tomorrow? Write it down, each and everything. Use all the tenses: present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, present perfect tense, past perfect, every tense, continuous tense, every tense. My dear friends, as you know, to write something and to speak something, we have to think, we have to articulate sentences inside of our mind. So before writing something, we have enough time to think, we have enough time to articulate a sentence. While speaking, we don't have that much time. We have at least 1 to 2 seconds to articulate a sentence before speaking. If you want to improve your spoken skill, first write it down. Okay, write a topic down, and after that practice the same topic in front of camera. Record your video, and after that watch your video. Where did you make mistake? How was your fluency? If your level is intermediate, you can write smaller sentence, you can narrate your daily routine. But you want to write a topic, you want to discuss a topic, different topic, but you don't know how to create a topic, how to write. Okay, you are not able to understand, you are not able to articulate a topic. My dear friends, there are thousands of topics on which you can practice writing and speaking. Like the role of your parents, the role of your teachers. You can write about your festivals. You can write about summer seasons. You can write all seasons: summer season, winter season, autumn, spring. You can write about your last journey. You can write about your favorite actor. You can write about your hobbies. etc., etc. There are many thousands of topics you can write about environment. But now question rises over here. Most of us, we want to write, but we don't have knowledge how to write. What we have to do? We are not able to articulate a topic. My dear friends, if you are one of them, do this. Ask questions to yourself and answer them. I repeat, ask questions to yourself and answer them in your word. Write down. So suppose that your topic is last journey, your last tour. So ask question. Okay, where did you go? And what was your, where did you go? What did you do over there? With whom did you go? What did you enjoy over there? How many days did you spend over there on that tour? How was that tour? Which type of activities did you do over there? Did you enjoy or not? Would you like to go again or not? If you yes, so with whom? If you don't want to go there again, why? Write all these things. Ask question. It depends on you. The more questions you can ask, the larger, the bigger topic will be. My dear friends, if you do all these things, at least 3 months, your level will be higher. Just write about a topic and start practicing in front of camera. Record your voice, record your video, and after that watch that video, listen to that voice. How was your fluency? Where did you make mistake, etc., etc. You will get to know about your English level. I hope, my dear friends, you have found this session helpful. If you have found this session helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. After subscribing the channel, don't forget press the bell icon so that you could get next video's information on time. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video till the end.